KTM has been teasing us with glimpses of the new 790 Duke for the past year, but the wait is finally over. The Austrian street destroyer was just unveiled at the EICMA show in Milan, Italy, now ready for public consumption. KTM the 790 Duke price start at £8,499. The KTM the 790 Duke is built around an all-new and ultra-compact LCHC parallel twin engine, which KTM claims produces 103 horsepower at 9,000 rpm and 63.6 pound-feet of torque at 8,000 rpm. That 100 horsepower and a claimed dry weight of 372 pounds, probably 415 or so full of fuel, make KTM's claims that this new bike is the ultimate street weapon seem pretty spot on. Additionally, the 790 Duke gets cornering ABS, Supermoto mode, switchable rear ABS, traction control that is lean angle sensitive, a full-color TFT dash, launch control, and a quick shifter. The frame is a steel trellis unit which uses the motor as a stress member of the frame to help save weight.